So here we are today at Gondwana Premium Jungle Homes. This is in Tadoba Andhari Tiger Reserve. So this is the first staycation of this year for me. I am here with my family and I thought I should just give you a quick tour of the place. It's a very good place. We really loved it. So this is the parking, guest parking, and this is the way to the entrance, and I'll eventually give you a quick tour of the entire place. Also, we'll share the view from our rooms in morning from the balconies, because right now it's just very dark, so we would not be able to enjoy the view, but I'll surely share the view from my room in the morning. But overall, the vibe of this place is really cozy, very nice, and great for coming and enjoying with your family. Great for a staycation if you love to have a jungle trip. Like few people love to go on safaris and just have that experience of having a close encounter with the tigers. So we did have a very close encounter with a tigress and her 3 cubs. This is a beautiful property with all the great decor. This is the souvenir shop called as Jungle Bazaar. They also have activities listed here and map and other information. This is also for the aesthetics. They have decorated it so beautifully. I really liked the decor. See, this is the place. It gives you that feel of being in jungle, and it really makes you feel like you are in jungle. The way the walls are textured, you can see the texture. It gives you that hut kind of a feel of typical resorts in jungles. See, the decor is really good. I really love this. Also, they've made something like a gazebo, and they've added tiny aesthetic cute lights so that it can be a quick photo stop for anyone. They have many rooms. This is the place where they serve breakfast, lunch and dinner. They also have high tea and great hospitality. They also make provisions for bonfire for groups, and you can pre-book the rooms here. This is one of the rooms and properties, and it is also good for groups. And let me give you a quick tour up to my room. So this is the pathway to other rooms, and there are many rooms, but for us we have booked rooms which are just one beneath the other, kind of one building or one block, and two rooms. This is the area in the jungle. See, these are our rooms. This is really nice. See, this is the swimming pool area of the property, which is very chic. I love the plate, Gondwana swimming pool. Love the way they have used the lettering. See, they also provide all the amenities for the pool. You can just stroll here and just gaze at the moon. Beautiful moon today. It's just a perfect weather for safari. We did spot 5 tigers today, and we were so happy because for all the entire safari of 4 to 5 hours we could spot some or the other tiger, and the weather was very supportive. So it was cold come hot during the day, but cold in the evenings, and which is ideal for bonfires, to enjoy such beautiful feel of the forest and greenery, because we are here in the second week of January, sorry, third week, so it's ideal for us. The weather is not too cold nor too hot. It is cool in the evenings and hot in the afternoons. But if you are planning to go on a safari in the afternoon, that's the 2 to 6 slot, make sure that you wear light breathable clothes because it is very, very hot. But you can definitely spot tiger if you are coming here in the second or third week of January. We've got two rooms just beneath, one beneath the other. So since we are family, we wanted to have rooms closer to each other, and these are the newly constructed rooms. So I'll just give you a quick room tour of my room. It has a balcony. Let me show you. This is the view. They also have set up bonfire. So this is our room. It has this balcony which has a good view. I'll also share the view in morning. This is just view at the night. It's a huge property, and this is the room. They also have one more balcony, and this is the area. You can use it as an extra bed or just look at the view from these curtains. And this is the utility area. Also here you can keep your luggage, and this is the mirror. This is the bathroom with all the new fittings, warm cold water and all other amenities. And this is another balcony, one more balcony, small one, but it's there. I'll give you a view in the morning. Actually, we just went to safari, so by the time we came back it was dark. Let me show you the view from our sit out area. So this is the view. You can just enjoy your cup of coffee sitting here and enjoying the view. So this is the view from a balcony in morning. It's beautiful.